Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save emails and attachments to Evernote from Gmail using the Web Clipper extension. First, open the email you want to save. In this case, the one from Jotform. The email displays in your main Gmail reading pane with the subject line and full message content visible on screen. Click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar to open the extensions menu. It's the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of your browser window, and clicking it reveals a drop-down list of all your installed extensions. Select Evernote Web Clipper from the list, and the Clipper panel opens on the right side of your screen. The panel overlays the Gmail interface and shows the Evernote logo at the top, with several clipping options below. The panel shows several format options: article, simplified article, full page, bookmark, screenshot, and multi-select. Click multi-select so you can choose exactly what to clip. This option gives you the most control because you can pick specific sections of the email rather than capturing the entire page with all the Gmail interface elements around it. Now click on the email body to select it. You'll see it highlighted with a green overlay to confirm it's been captured. The selected area includes the message text and any inline images or formatting from the original email. Click Save One Selection at the bottom of the panel. The Clipper saves your email to Evernote, and any attachments are included automatically. A progress indicator appears briefly in the panel, showing the save operation completing, and the button text changes to confirm the clip has been saved successfully. Once it's done, click Open in Evernote Web to view your saved note. This link appears in the Clipper panel after the save completes. Switch to the Evernote tab that opens. It may take a moment to load, as Evernote fetches your note from the server. The Evernote interface appears with your saved email now stored as a note in your default notebook. You'll see the Evernote editor with a sidebar on the left showing your notebooks and tags. You'll see the full email content along with the attachment ready to access in your notebook. The note preserves the original formatting of the email and displays the PDF attachment as a clickable file card below the message text, so you can open or download it directly from Evernote whenever you need it. If the Clipper doesn't show up when you click the extensions icon, make sure you're signed into Evernote Web Clipper first. You can check this by clicking the extension and looking for a sign-in prompt. You can also use article format instead of multi-select if you want to grab the entire email in one go without selecting sections manually. To change which notebook your email saves to, click the notebook dropdown in the Clipper panel before you hit save. And that's how to save emails and attachments to Evernote from Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.